Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Eldar Army is probably one of the most iconic factions in the Warhammer 40,000 universe, known for their elegance, psychic prowess, and devastating weaponry. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes the Eldar a compelling choice for both new and veteran players. We'll explore their unique playstyle, the strengths and weaknesses of their units, and how to build a formidable Eldar army that can dominate the battlefield. Number 5. Warhammer 40k, Craftworlds Eldar Dire Avengers. Today, we're diving into the world of Warhammer 40k with the Craftworlds Eldar Dire Avengers. These warriors are known for their deadly precision and unwavering dedication to their craft. They are a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield. The Dire Avengers are elite aspect warriors, embodying the spirit of Kain. They are masters of ranged combat, utilizing their advanced weaponry to devastating effect. Their discipline and skill make them a formidable opponent. Each squad is led by an Exarch, a veteran warrior who guides and inspires their comrades. The Exarch's experience and tactical prowess are crucial to the squad's success. They are the heart of the team. Armed with Avengers shuriken catapults, they unleash a storm of deadly projectiles. Their armor provides excellent protection, allowing them to withstand heavy fire. This combination makes them a deadly force. The Dire Avengers fight to protect their craftworlds from all threats. Their unwavering loyalty and dedication make them a symbol of hope. They are the shield of their people. What we like. These Dire Avengers are the iconic backbone of any Eldar army. They are highly skilled combatants, able to lay down a withering hail of fire. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile unit to form the core of your forces, you should consider these. What people say. The models are highly detailed and well sculpted. The assembly process is straightforward, with clear instructions. The plastic used is of good quality and holds detail well. Number 4. Warhammer 40k Eldar Farseer Skyrunner by Games Workshop. This is a miniature from Games Workshop. It's a multi-part plastic kit, and you'll need glue and paint to bring it to life. The kit includes one Eldar Farseer Skyrunner miniature. It's a great addition to any Warhammer 40k collection. Remember, this is a multi-part plastic kit. You will need to assemble it. To complete the model, you'll need glue and paint. This allows you to customize the look. This product is made by Games Workshop. It's known for its high-quality miniatures and attention to detail. What we like. This Farseer Skyrunner is a dynamic model, mounted on a jet bike. It also has powerful psychic abilities, allowing it to manipulate the battlefield. If you enjoy a mobile HQ unit that can both deal damage and support your army, you should consider it. What people say. The models are highly detailed and well made. The poses are dynamic and the details are crisp. The kit comes with a variety of options for customization. Number 3. Games Workshop Eldar Windriders Warhammer 40k. Behold the Eldar Windriders, swift and deadly units from Games Workshop. These miniatures are designed for the Warhammer 40k tabletop game, ready to bring the storm to your battles. These Windriders are part of the Craftworlds faction, known for their speed and precision. They are mounted on jet bikes, allowing them to quickly maneuver across the battlefield. The miniatures come unpainted, offering you the chance to customize them. Assembly is required, so you can build and paint them to your liking. To play, you'll need additional miniatures and rule books. This set includes 3 plastic miniatures, perfect for starting or expanding your Warhammer 40k collection. This set includes 3 plastic miniatures. They are perfect for adding to your army or starting a new one. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with it. What we like. These Windriders are a fast jet bike unit, providing excellent mobility on the battlefield. They can quickly seize objectives or harass the enemy. If you like a fast-moving, hard-hitting unit to outmaneuver your opponents, you should consider them. What people say. The models are highly detailed and well sculpted. The assembly process is straightforward, and the pieces fit together seamlessly. The poses are dynamic and capture the essence of the Eldar aesthetic. Number 2. Games Workshop Warhammer 40k Craftworlds Wraithknight. Behold the Wraithknight, a formidable war machine. It is a towering construct of the Craftworlds, ready to dominate the battlefield. This colossal figure is animated by the spirits of the dead. It is a testament to the Craftworlds' mastery of ancient technology, and it is a sight to behold. Armed with devastating firepower, the Wraithknight can obliterate enemies. Its weapons are capable of turning the tide of any battle, and it is a force to be reckoned with. The Wraithknight is a colossal threat on the battlefield. Its presence alone can strike fear into the hearts of its foes. It is a symbol of the Craftworld's might. This is the champion of the Craftworlds. It is a symbol of hope and a harbinger of destruction. It will lead the charge into the heart of the enemy. What we like. The Wraithknight is an imposing wraith construct, a towering figure on the battlefield. It is also capable of devastating close combat, able to crush enemies. If you like a centerpiece model that can dominate the battlefield, you should consider this. What people say. The models are highly detailed and well sculpted. The assembly process is straightforward, and the pieces fit together seamlessly. The poses are dynamic and capture the essence of the Eldar aesthetic. Number 1. Games Workshop Warhammer 40,000 Craftworlds Howling Banshees. Today, we're taking a look at these miniatures from Games Workshop. This set features the Craftworlds Howling Banshees. They are plastic multi-part miniatures, ready for assembly. These miniatures are made of plastic and come in multiple parts. You'll need to assemble them yourself. It's a great way to get hands-on with your hobby. Assembly is required, so get ready to put them together. Following the instructions will bring these warriors to life. Please note that tools, paints, and glue are not included. You'll need to have those on hand to complete the project. Get ready to paint and customize them. This product is brought to you by Games Workshop. They are known for their high-quality miniatures and tabletop games. Enjoy the process of building and painting them. What we like. These Howling Banshees are close-range melee specialists, known for their high damage output. They can quickly cut through enemy lines. If you like a unit that excels at close combat and can quickly eliminate threats, you should consider them. What people say. The models are highly detailed and well sculpted. The assembly process is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The plastic used is of good quality and allows for easy customization. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.